So we're going to talk about Ford F-150 battery relearn procedure. When you have reached a certain period of life cycle of that battery, typically it's 3 to 5 years in your vehicle, the monitor expires, even if the battery's still good. And you may find one day you get up to go to work, or you walk into the grocery store or something like that, and that time limit has expired on that battery even though it's still healthy. What will end up happening is that Bms sensor that's hooked up to that negative cable of the battery that's got a connector on it, it's detecting load on that battery. And if there's a specific load that it's seeing and the computer can pick it up, it will disable things that are online that slowly pull battery voltage or amperage, whatever you will. So let's just say your 5 years have hit and you've got one of those passive touch systems where you can just put your hand underneath the handle of your F-150 and you've got the keys on you, and when you put your hand inside the handle and just barely touch it, sometimes you don't even have to touch it, that's how sensitive it is. It unlocks the doors for you so you can open it. Or when you get out, you push the black button on the outside of the handle and it locks the doors. You may find that that's disabled, and then you'll freak out and think something's wrong with the vehicle, and there's nothing wrong with the vehicle at all. You just have to reset the battery monitor sensor. It pulls a small amount of voltage and amperage from the battery all the time because it needs to have something present, so when you say open it and close, it does exactly what you want as the user or the owner of that vehicle. So it's always functioning in a minute amount. Something's always going on with that handle, unless it goes into deep sleep mode or something like that on some of these newer vehicles. So you may have a battery that the computer has detected it's at the end of its life cycle, and even though it's still good, it starts looking at things like, hey, what's pulling power from this battery? Life cycle has ended. Let's start disabling things that are pulling power so it doesn't drain that battery. You have to reset the BMS. And how do you reset the BMS? Well, you'll find on the aftermarket side and the DIY side, guys that are in programming and things like that end up coming up with ways that you can reset the BMS on that. Some people use the method where you stick the key in the ignition, you turn it forward, you flash the high beams 5 times. That's on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Brake pedal, push, push, push. Within 15 seconds, a battery light will be flashing, indicating that you've reset the BMS by manual selection. Now, if it doesn't happen the first time, you may have to do it several times. Flash the headlight 5 times, hit the brake pedal 3 times. That's one option. Another option people have used that they say works is they will go out to the negative cable on the battery. They will unplug the negative cable. They'll turn the headlight switch off for 30 seconds, and then they'll switch the headlight to the on position for 30 seconds. Then they'll go out and hook the negative cable back up. They say sometimes that resets the BMS, and now all of a sudden the doors and things that weren't working before are not working. Another problem that some people are having with the 21 and 22 F-150s is if these vehicles are serviced for some reason, or there's some work that they're doing on the sync system, and let's just say the battery goes dead while the technician's got the key on and he's doing some programming and stuff like that, and he doesn't have a battery tender on the vehicle. Or let's just say for some reason you leave the key on, or you're messing around with something in the vehicle, or you leave something on, whatever it is, there's a drain somewhere, and you leave that key on and it drains the battery. You get everything started, you get everything charged back up and started and stuff like that. You may find that the vehicle is in deep sleep mode. After that battery is completely charged, it's probably going to have to sit there for about 8 hours before it comes out of that deep sleep mode. There have been people that have claimed that they have dropped their vehicle off at the dealer for service, and the technician has had to remove the battery cable on 21 and above F-150s for whatever reason it may be. And when they put the terminal back and they turn the vehicle back into the customer, the Ford Pass isn't working anymore. And the only way that they've been able to get the Ford Pass back online is to let that vehicle sit in the driveway with the key out of the ignition, the vehicle completely off, everything turned off for at least 8 hours of sleep time before going back out there and then starting the vehicle the next day to go to work or run errands or whatever it may be, and the Ford Pass is back online. That is also another way for the vehicle to naturally relearn the BMS. Is you change the battery after you got off work, it's 6-7 o'clock at night, you put a new battery in it, you've got the key out of it, you go back in the house, you hang your key up on your key hook, and you don't wake up the next day till 6-7 o'clock in the morning. Well, that vehicle has had 11-12 hours of sleep overnight with no key in it, no nothing going on. At that point, it has pretty much relearned its function of the battery being replaced. It can detect that it's a fresh new battery going on in there. It's smart enough for that, but it needs at least 8 hours of sleep time in order for it to reset itself. Now remember, if you want to do it immediately, when you replace the battery, headlight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, brake pedal 1, 2, 3, flashing light over in the corner within 15 seconds of the little battery flashing. You may have to do it a couple times to get it to work. Now, it's here nor there. These are things that people in the aftermarket or DIY side have figured that work to reset their vehicle so they don't have to go buy an expensive scan tool or go back to the dealer. Y'all have a blessed day. Let me know if these things have worked for you, and if they have worked for you, say something in the comment section. This is Rich, Ford Boss, trying to keep you out of the dealership and keep the money in your pocket. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed.